Parents and students, welcome back to our second learning update. Today we're going to be looking through exercises 3 and 4, passing ease, and the guitar march. So let's start by making sure you guys have looked through all the PDFs so that we can go over all the information there. Half note versus a quarter note. A half note is a note that is going to get held out for 2 beats. 1, 2. Whereas a quarter note, you would just keep playing on every beat. 1. Half notes are longer notes. You can visually see the difference because a quarter note is going to be filled in the circle part of the note, whereas a half note is going to be blank in the middle, or white, however you want to kind of think about it. All right, so exercise 3, we are going to hold those half notes for each measure. We're in 2/4, so a half note means the entire measure is going to be 1 half note. So number 3 is going to go like this. Move this down a little bit so you can see. I'm playing my first string E. All right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And that's it for exercise 3. Let's take a look at exercise 4. Here we are going to have half notes, we're going to have quarter notes, a quarter rest. So why don't you go over all 3 of those terms before playing through it. The first measure is going to be a half note. 1, 2. The next measure is going to go quarter and then rest. Then we're going to go quarter, quarter, and then to end it with a half note. So the whole exercise is going to go ready, set, half note, rest, half note. And that is it for exercises 2 and 3. Let's take a look now at passing ease. This is a duet. As we've talked about in class, duets are when 2 musicians play together. It can be the same instrument or it can be different instruments. One of the cool things about this duet is if you have a guitar at home or any other instrument, you can actually play along with your child. So the duet on passing ease, the top part is going to be guitar 1 and the second part is going to be guitar 2 or whatever instrument you want to play. We're just going back and forth between ease. So guitar 1 is going to go E, rest, E, rest, E, rest, E, rest, and then ending it on that half note, half note. Guitar 2 is going to start with a rest while the other guitar is playing the note, and they're going to sort of go back and forth. So one of them will have a rest and the other one will play, thus passing that E note back and forth. So it's pass the E note back, and then we end with both guitars playing in unison a half note, half note. All right, so that is passing ease. If you have a guitar at home, break it out, play with your student. All right, guitar march. Marches. So we've talked about this in class, but marches are almost universally written in 2/4 time, and there is a reason for that. When the soldiers are marching, they are trying to keep in rhythm together. They have 2 legs that are marching. So it goes 1, 2, left, right. You've probably heard that in marches before. That is the reason that we play in 2/4 for all of our marches. Now the guitar march is actually pretty similar to passing ease, except you're going to play 2 quarter notes and then have a half rest. So you would go 1, 2, rest, and then guitar 2 would be playing there as well. So guitar 1 for the guitar march is going to go 1, 2, half, rest, 1, 2, half, rest, half note, half note. This is another one that if you want to break out the guitar, you guys can definitely play it together. It's similar to the last one. They go back and forth with those quarter notes, so it'll be 1, 2 on one guitar, and then left, right, the other guitar's playing. Then back to the first one, 1, 2, left, right. Then when they do the guitar march part, those are half notes in unison, meaning we play them together. Half note, half note. All right, I hope that cleared some stuff up, and I will see you guys next time for Learning Update 3.